between Graham, Buffett, Lynch, lot of similarity. Even John Templeton, you will find a lot of similarity. So here I am trying to combine a few quotes of Buffett and one quote of Graham. I could not find anything of Benjamin Franklin, but he would have also said something similar. But when he was talking, there were no mutual funds. So to that extent, he may not have said anything like this. But look at it this way. Buffett says nobody buys a farm thinking whether it is going to rain next year, and they buy it because they think it's a good investment for 10-20 years. I say similar things about planting a tree. You don't plant a tree because next month you are going to get a crop. Maybe if it's a mango tree, you're talking of 6-7 years of waiting, because from the 5th year it is ready to crop, but people just clip off the flowers and don't let the fruit develop. It takes another 2 years before they start plucking the fruit. So 7 years effort. So for when you are putting money in the market, you're not putting for tomorrow, you're putting it for a much longer period. Now he has 2-3 similar sayings, and so does Graham. So let's see what Graham does. Of course, Graham's famous one is, in the short run the market is a voting machine, and in the long run it's a weighing machine. So but don't jump onto a weighing machine and say, look, see how much the weight has gone up. It's not true, right? So you need to know what is a voting machine and a weighing machine, but largely, yes, again, don't worry about what happens in the short run, worry about what happens in the long run. So Buffett has also, of course, said, turn market fluctuations to your friend, not your enemy. So whenever the market falls and you have good set of scripts which you trust, just buy more. I bought in the month of March and I sold in the month of, I think, April, May, saying this is a separate transaction. I am not here to reduce the cost of my holding, etc. I am here to make some money. Just found an opportunity to make money, so I made money. That kind of a thing. One-off transactions you can do, right? Then Buffett again, Buffett's famous statement. Why I am quoting this statement as it is because I don't want to make any of my own changes in it. So Buffett says about the stock market, saying, I never attempt to make money on the stock market. I buy on the assumption that the market would close the next day and not reopen for 10 years. This is a good attitude for Buffett to take, because he is not worried about what people say. But fund managers would, because for fund managers AUM is important, not for Buffett. Buffett AUM is not important. You are just a shareholder in his company. You can't influence his company, right? So all these more or less say the same thing. Come and invest for the long run. Make sure that you are here for really a long time. Whenever you have extra money, you can put it into the same fund. Do an SIP or SGP, whatever, depending on what is your comfort level, and that's about it. And when there is a fluctuation in the market, learn to treat it to your advantage rather than to your disadvantage. So when market goes down and you have a good portfolio, just go and pick more shares of the same portfolio. You can do that, right? So similarly, if you think the market is overheated, just stop putting, because you don't need the money now. You need the money maybe 10, 20, 30 years later, right? So all these quotes of Benjamin Graham and Buffett mean more or less the same thing. Lambe samay lage raho. And the other example I like to give is, suppose you bought a house and your broker in his over enthusiasm calls you up every day and tells you, oh, today the price is so much, today the price is so much. You're going to turn around and at some stage say, hello, I know what is the price. I don't plan to sell it for the next 20 years, so I don't need a quote from you on a daily basis. As simple as that. You should do that. Otherwise,